Okay, today we installed the Boss BRT14A 2021 CFMoto. She's back here. We're just going to do like a little walk around on how I installed it. Hopefully it helps somebody out. We didn't want a real big sound bar. We wanted something small, compact, so I can still see behind me, but yet I still want to jam out. Alright, I'm going to spin it around and we'll see what we can't do. Okay, so I ground that bracket off. That way the speaker would sit flush. She set right in there and I got the wires ran around on this roll bar. Comes down this side and I got it over here hooked into the battery. Nice. Does pretty good on hiding the wires. I might tuck them up a little bit better. I did take the roof off for this to make things easier. Got the lights going. Get ready to put the rear glass on it, but I wanted to do this. Pretty easy install. Hopefully I can hide these wires a little bit better. Yeah. Also, guys, look at these tires we got. Look at these tires. Oh yeah. Alright. There she is. Thank you.